I'm running a business. No one's more frustrated than me. Everybody should be frustrated.
Heather Bresch, CEO of Mylan Pharmaceuticals, on the national firestorm of criticism over price hikes for life-saving medication. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dan Thorne. Mylan, a company with ties to West Virginia, is now offering to expand programs to lower costs of EpiPens. Mylan now says they'll be increasing cost-cutting programs to help families pay for the drug. This comes after outrage from parents and lawmakers that the pharmaceutical giant is gouging people with costs of more than $600 for EpiPens. CEO Heather Bresch spoke with Business Channel CNBC this morning about why the price skyrocketed more than 400% over the last 9 years. Here's what she had to say.
No one's more frustrated than me. I've been in this business
you're
for
the one
25
raising the
years.
price, though. How can you be frustrated?
My frustration is there's a list price of $608. There is a system. I laid out that there are 4 or 5 hands that the product touches and companies that it goes through before it ever gets to that patient at the counter. Everybody should be frustrated. I am hoping that this is an inflection point for this country. Our healthcare is in a crisis.
Bresch went on to say Mylan is reducing the cost of EpiPens through the use of a savings card that will cover up to $300 for the EpiPen 2-pack. However, there is no change in the price of treatment. Bresch, who is the daughter of U.S. Senator Joe Manchin, continues to draw criticisms from Congress over the hundreds of dollars that families now have to pay for this drug. In a statement released today, Senator Joe Manchin says, quote, "I am aware of the questions of my colleagues and many parents are asking, and frankly, I share their concerns about the skyrocketing prices of prescription drugs. Today, I heard Mylan's initial response, and I am sure Mylan will have a more comprehensive and formal response to those questions. I look forward to reviewing their response in detail and working with my colleagues and all interested parties to lower the price of prescription drugs and to continue to improve our healthcare system," end quote. Doctors at the West Virginia School of Osteopathic Medicine say there is a long list of medications for people with minor allergies, but for those with severe allergies, the EpiPen is one of few options for treatment. The device works quickly to keep people alive.
If someone's allergic to bees and has an anaphylactic reaction to a bee sting, or allergic to food and they have an anaphylactic reaction to that food, then an antihistamine takes a long time to start to work, while the EpiPen can be used immediately.
Doctors say about 1 to 2 people per million die each year as a result of a severe allergic reaction.